It's chocolate ice cream day. Hi adults and gents, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so today I'm going to do a chocolate ice cream tutorial for you guys. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram at curlies_artistic_nails. Stay tuned for more. I will be trying to do at least 3 tutorials between today and tomorrow, just for the love of chocolate and for ice cream. And this first tutorial, I'm just going to do like a quick take on how to do a coffin shaped nail into a ice cream cone, as well as adding 2 layers of chocolate ice cream, sort of giving you that kind of melting effect. And here I am just sculpting the cone, and what I'm doing, I'm using a nude acrylic to create a wafer style ice cream cone, and then I'm going to use brown colored acrylic to create 2 layers of chocolate ice cream. I used a piece of netting material to create some texture into the wafer cone detail. You know, it adds to the 3D sculpture and giving it that more realistic cone-like look. So you can use a piece of netting material, or you can use your cuticle pusher or the nail file, anything to give it that wafer cone like effect. I will be doing 2 other tutorials to show you different techniques on creating cones as well as creating the ice cream details. I used I&M's Tutti Frutti Forget About It shade because I like that brown, and as well as it had a little bit of glitter in it, so I decided to try this one. I noticed that the acrylic was a bit runny, so what I did for the second layer, and if you decide to use any acrylic that is a bit runny, you can add a little bit of acetone into your monomer, and it will cause the acrylic to set a lot faster. I'm using a dotted tool because I want to create some texture and give it some more details, as well as ice cream that are scooped are usually textured, so at least for me, I like to be a little bit detailed to give it a realistic effect and just have fun with, creating. Ice cream is not a perfect look because ice cream is melting. Sometimes I don't scoop it properly, so don't be too hard on yourself when creating. The aim is to give it the illusion that it is an ice cream. I added a darker shade of brown to give it that chocolate syrup effect. And you do not have to use acrylic. You can also use a brown gel polish or nail polish and top it off with some gel no wipe top coat, but you know, it's all up to you. I decided to use acrylic and I top coated it with a no wipe top coat, just to the dripping effect, to create that wet like effect, you know, like the ice cream is melting. And then I topped it off with a little red cherry. And that's it, dozen gents. I hope you guys enjoyed this melting chocolate 3D inspired tutorial for today's chocolate ice cream day. Do have a blessed day, a blessed night wherever you are, and I shall see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye. God bless.